We decided we were going to replace the cover on our handle of our trailer with this zip grip. It seems very simple. It's just a flat piece. It's got a zipper on it, and at the top and bottom it does have zip ties, so it will hold it in place while you're trying to get the zipper straight and zip it shut. And here we have, I just hooked it at the top and the bottom with the zip ties, and I've got the top of the zipper started. Now at first it wasn't very easy to get the zipper started really, or get it to start zipping, but once it did, you can see it just zips like butter. It just zips straight down, no problem. As you can see, it looks all nice and neat and clean. This one is just so much easier and so much nicer, and I think it'll hold up much better. I mean, the other one held up for 3.5 years, so that's pretty good. But we had a little bit of trouble with the zipper staying down, but I ran, as you can see where I'm pointing there, I ran a zip tie up through that little loop and down through the loop on the other side of the zipper pull and pulled it really tight, and it's holding the zipper down so it won't just work its way up at all. And it's very secure. Like I said before, there's a zip tie at the bottom and the top holding the whole thing on there, so it's not easy for somebody to just come over, unzip and take. So that's a good thing, good safety feature on that one. And I really like it. I think it's going to be infinitely better than what we had before.